Today, we delve into the matriarchs of Turtle Island and the Constitution of the Iroquois Confederacy. This remarkable constitution was initially passed down orally among the diverse nations of Turtle Island. As a result, the true date of its origin remains uncertain. The Iroquois Great Law of Peace is thought to have been established during the solar eclipse on August 13, 1451. That marks an impressive 884 years, and one day until the next solar eclipse on August 12, 2026. The Grand Lion's Gate portal, in 4 years, will mark 888, and the infinite return of the divine feminine, once again back to her throne here on Earth. One undeniable fact is that women held the reins of governance. Matriarchs wielded substantial political influence, tasked with nominating and removing chiefs. They worked in harmony with Mother Earth, providing food, clothing, and shelter to nourish the well-being of the mind, body, and spirit. Their ruling were just and fair to all peoples of Mother Earth. In fact, this is how the Constitution for the United States of America came to be adopted under these very same principles. The United States admitted this fact into their congressional records in October 1988 through House Concurrent Resolution 331. What was not mentioned nor recognized was the fact that the matriarchs are the true foundation of all governance here on Turtle Island. Even the Declaration of Independence is in agreement with the honoring of nature's law and nature's God. Who is nature's God, except the melanated women of the dark matter or dark mother? Herein lies the deception. How did everything become masculine, when in fact this is a feminine planet? Check out my previous videos for the answers to that question. Think about why we pay to live on a planet that's free. Today, as the frequency of Mother Earth rises, we are being asked to return to the harmony within ourselves. By balancing the masculine and feminine energies within, this is how we influence the outer world. Whenever matriarchs unite together on one accord, this is how we create lasting change in the outer world. The change we seek starts within the hearts and minds of every woman within the various groups. Although we are many, we come together and organize as one divine unit of love, peace, and joy. Knowing that the Dark Mother is on our side, guiding our thoughts, actions, and deeds. We, along with the God power within, can change this reality for the better and build an everlasting heaven right here on Earth. This concludes my Hebdomad weekly video of inspiration and enlightenment designed to uplift and ignite the sacred fire within. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The end. Until next time, Hatawa, one love.